spin slightly up, slightly. Pull your clutch in every time you got to do it. Slightly up and slightly up into neutral. Slightly. Yeah, let it go. Now roll. You're on neutral. Every time you about to move, hit that motherfucker clutch. Damn. What you was cool because it would have went. Oh shit, what's good? It's your boy Dot. And you back at it, Dot World. You know what I mean? Out here riding, letting him feel mines. You know what I mean? He got him a Apollo. He got him a Apollo. You feel me? But I got the Tao Tao. He said that Tao Tao ride good. You feel me? Yeah, baby. You gotta slide. Y'all better go get y'all some bikes. Man, y'all better go get y'all some bikes, boy, and quit playing out here, boy. You know, look at my boy bike. You got him no Apollo. Papa Willie. He ain't popping no Willie. You know what I mean? Like your boy Dot. Like your boy Dot World. Dot World too real. You feel me? We out here sliding on the west side. On the west side of Westwood. You feel me? Slide. Slide. Yeah.